So when I get my C06, I'm hoping they bring turquoise back somewhere along this line. I would consider turquoise. So that's one of the colors that I kind of miss from the Corvettes, is the turquoise. And this is the C06 I got a ride a while back. Just amazing performance with that supercharged engine. So very beautiful car. This one's highly spec'd, like $112,000. The C07 package, carbon ceramic brakes. So big difference. So beautiful combination. I like the color. The blue accent seats. Got us a Boss Haas with a Corvette engine. Low headers.
522. The nice thing is it's straight down, so you take the plug out, it doesn't shoot out to the side. You know?
Yeah, like that makes it
like
really easy.
Yeah, it comes out really nice.
There's really no mess to make on this.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, there's the oil filter right there. It might be the same one as on my C7. Single plug, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Let's check out the exhaust. The transmission. So we don't really have much view on this car. I know in mine we can see a lot of the components, but on this one they put a lot of different covers.
It's gone. Yeah.
You're right.
This is really cool.
It fell out. I think that's.
But yeah, that's really cool that they gave us access to maintain this car without having to remove any panels. So I think that's really nice.
And then driving around.
This is cool that we got some frunk space. So good bit of storage here at the front. Battery really easy to get to. A lot easier than the C7 Corvette. Very, very nice options. So that's where we fill it up.